Lechinga kicha warukigwa chiribunye mero chimisatu kurwa ase sub-county ya Kisii Central nigo bachaka matemu abo a KEPSEA nabo igo KJSEA ukwana emambia lero chinga kichoko igura kontine ya matemu imeye county ya Kisii umodicc borgongoruo Joseph Mwangi nigo boigo mentabuna aborokigwa abo nkorwa chiskuru emerongo kianda na ibere aswega segeta aborokigwa abo gwetanga korwa asubunganireria bo matemu ngenche ose nchera chinde chonsi Inchio.
Today was the beginning of the KEPSEA and Kisii examination. So we opened the container in our usual time of 6 a.m. after a little briefing by all the stakeholders. And we issued exams to 78 public primary schools and 14 private schools. All of them, they have carried the exam. As you can see, the buses are leaving. Deployment is very okay. You can see police officers here. They are well briefed and they are ready for the task. So all exams have been dispersed. No center has missed the exam. They are now headed to school to start the exam. We are going to go to schools to ensure that the integrity is really maintained. We don't want any teacher to have a phone. All phones should be collected, locked in a locker and guarded by a police officer. So we don't want to fight any teacher having a phone in the exam room. We have told them, as much as we have reduced the level of the police surveillance, that does not guarantee them to do fishy things. So we are going to go to the station to ensure that as we monitor that everything that exam entails, that level of keenness is observed by all of them.